Volvo Infotainment systems, known as Sensus Connect, in models from 2018 onwards, like the XC60 and XC90, commonly face three main issues: system starting boot loops, network connectivity failures, and app crashes. The system starting error indicates a boot loop, often due to corrupted cache or firmware mismatches, preventing the system from fully initializing. Network issues stem from weak signal processing in the system's modem, leading to unstable LTE or 5G connectivity. App crashes result from memory leaks or API conflicts between the operating system and third-party apps. Volvo's software version 3.5.8 addresses some causes, reducing crash rates by about 30%, though issues still persist. For basic troubleshooting, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds, check for over-the-air updates via the Volvo app, or perform a hard reset while backing up data first. You can resolve many Volvo infotainment problems with simple steps. First, try a soft reset by holding the power button for 10 seconds. For more severe issues, attempt a hard or factory reset via button combinations like volume up plus power, but be aware this will erase user data. Ensure your system is up to date by regularly installing over-the-air updates via the Volvo app. Connect to a stable internet connection during updates to prevent interruptions. Preventive maintenance, such as avoiding simultaneous app updates while driving, can also help. For hardware faults or persistent problems, dealer intervention is necessary. Technicians use tools like Volvo Tech Tool to reprogram ECUs or replace faulty components. If problems persist after these steps, consult your Volvo dealer for diagnostics and repair, especially if your vehicle has exceeded 50,000 miles.